Welcome!
Whoa, wait a minute.
What?
That's my line.
Not today, not today.
All right, go ahead.
Welcome to our food review. You can talk now.
Oh, okay. Well, today we're going to do the Burger King Buffalo Chicken Melt. How about that one? You like hot stuff?
Yes, sir.
You're going to like this. Now, that's the packing. Nothing special. Let's open her up. How about that? For the first time viewers. Ooh, oh my goodness, look at that buffalo sauce.
Oh.
That's his side. Alright, so we're going to open it up. And you got, as you can see, you got your top bun, your cheese, a piece of chicken, buffalo sauce everywhere. Well, this is going to go one or two different ways. Oh, it's hot, it's hot. Go get the milk. Oh. What is that?
Ugh.
God.
That's awful.
So it could go one or the other. Let's hope it's actually good. How about that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, let's get to cutting this bad boy in half. Are you a little intimidated by that knife? Alright, so we're going to cut it right down the middle. There he is. So we got it cut. Let's look at the inside here. Yeah, let me scoot over there. There's a baby kitten collar. Alright, so there is look how bright it is in that camera. Like, whoa.
Yeah.
There it is. The chicken actually looks pretty good. It won't zoom in. Alright, so my half, your half. Cheers. Bink.
That's pretty good.
So while he's still, you got stuff. Right. There's it. Right there. Nothing. Are you not gonna get it off? Who am I talking to? Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah, you got it. Okay, come on. Make sure your hair's fixed. You know I'm putting this on the thing, right? Overall, I liked it. How about you?
Yeah.
You know, the buffalo kick was there, but it wasn't too hot. Didn't send us off running, and it wasn't nasty. The chicken was pretty good.
I got dredged with it, but it wasn't hot.
See? The poor boy got a bunch of it, but it wasn't hot. So out of 5 stars,
I give it 4.
yeah, I agree. We're going to give it a 4. Why not? How much was this thing? Yeah, well, how much?
$9.
Oh, you just said it. So, for the combo, it was like $8.50. So kind of on the expensive side, but it's not bad. If you can get it fresh, really good. We give it a 4 out of 5. Go out to Burger King and try it. It's not bad. My lips are starting to burn now.
Feeling the heat.
I need that milk we ain't got. Oh, as always, thanks for watching. This is Grooms with
Cousin Grooms.
Cousin Grooms. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Tell me how you like him in the videos. Could be coming back soon. As always, thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next review. Go to the Burger King.